Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to shampoo my area rugs, which can be done. And of course, you need to be cautious about the type of rug you're talking about, the backing on the rug, making sure it's color fast. But those are things you will just have to determine on your own. For me, I have area rugs that are cotton backed, and I know I can wash them because I've wiped off stains numerous times with sudsy bacterial soap, and I've even used a little bit of alcohol to remove red wine or stains that were a little more difficult, and it's been color fast. But it did need a deep cleaning. I have 3 area rugs, one's rubber backed, 2 are cotton backed, as I said, and they haven't been washed in a year, even though I vacuum them regularly. So I had to go to the store and buy a rug cleaner that didn't have to be fancy. I didn't want something expensive. I wanted something very lightweight and easy to maneuver. So what I found was the Hoover PowerDash, and I'll show you what it looks like. I put it together, and it was $99 on Amazon, but it was only $88 in Walmart. So I actually bought it at Walmart. So as you can see, there's one of my dogs, Alfie, and I have another dog, Winnie, and they are the main reasons I need a vacuum cleaner, because there have been numerous little accidents when they've been sick. So I wanted to clean the rug thoroughly. And this is the box. It's a Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. It did come with a small sample of carpet cleaner, but I prefer not to use the shampoo cleaners that are used in the machines. I read from some person who used this machine that she uses just 3/4 water and 1/4 lemon ammonia, and maybe that won't work for you, but it's fine for me. I put the machine together. This is what it looks like. You can see it's very compact. It weighs only 12 pounds and it has a very narrow pathway. I've already set up my carpets, and what I did was I rolled up my area rug. This is a 9x12 area rug. And then I proceeded to put one of these Dollar Tree drop cloths underneath it, which fit perfectly. This is to prevent any water from seeping through and going onto my wood floors. I finished shampooing the carpet. As you can see, it's hard to tell because this is a carpet that has a pattern design on it that you really don't see the dirt. So it gives an illusion of always being clean. But one thing I will tell you is I washed it. It is not wet on the back. This machine does not put out a lot of water, so you do not have to worry about really saturating the rug unless you go over it numerous times. So that's great, especially for an area rug. And this was a lot easier than trying to put my rug outside and power wash or do some other process like a couple of other sites have talked about doing. I think this was a lot easier and really way less messier, and the carpet will also dry fast. I was able to vacuum and wash my 3 rugs. I have a 9x12, I have a 9x6, and I have a 7x5 area rug. This one here has a rubber backing, and these other 2 that match my dining room and living room both have cotton backing on them. And my whole house really smells nice. The ammonia did not leave any kind of a heavy scent at all. Again, I used 3/4 of the container was filled with hot water and a 1/4 cup of ammonia. Now, if you want to use the solution, you can, but I find that soap residue actually has a tendency to allow more dirt to cling to the carpets. So even if you want to do a quick cleanup, you can just throw very hot water into the reservoir and use that without even any soap or any ammonia, and it'll work. I finished shampooing the carpet, and this is how much dirt so far has been removed from my carpets. As you can see, extremely dirty. Even though you vacuum, you'd be surprised how much dirt and grime comes out with these small carpet cleaners. And I want to show you how to clean the carpet cleaner when you're done, because there are a lot of parts or places that you can easily miss when cleaning out and thinking just the tank needs to be washed and rinsed. To remove the tank on this machine, it's very easy. It has a press button. You just press it and it will come right out like that. And I can just bring this over to my sink and I'm going to rinse that out. And this is the water reservoir and it's very lightweight. It comes out like that. Little stopper at the bottom and you can just keep refilling it. So I'm going to clean out this little tank and then I'm going to show you the rest of the way I clean out my carpet machine, which a lot of people probably don't realize you need to do. And you can see, even with all the vacuuming, this is all mostly like dog hair and maybe some fibers from the carpet. So it just goes to show how much your carpet cleaner can remove excess deep down grunge that you may have missed with your regular vacuuming. Part of getting good results from your carpet shampooer is to make sure you clean it thoroughly, either between sessions if you're doing more than one carpet and you're getting a lot of debris inside of the filter areas and on the bristle. You need to then clean it, or you can wait until you're completely done with your project. So on this machine, once you pull out the water tank, you'll see there's a little filter here that needs to be cleaned out, as well as a little red screen filter in the back that you need to wipe out. This front part here, this will pop off. It takes a little bit of doing. It's not the easiest one, but it does pop off with a little bit of strength. You don't need a lot. And then you can just run this under water as well. And then it just will pop back on. Like most carpet cleaners, underneath there is the roller and there's 4 screws. And you can take that completely apart to clean inside of that area. Now, what I've done in the past, so I've just turned this piece over and I've run the bristles under some water and I cleaned out that whole area without taking it apart. That's just me. I found it easier than taking the screwdriver and taking the whole thing apart. I don't really need to change the belt. I'm not doing anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a like, a share, a thumbs up, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Big City Girl, Small City Living. Bye.